Cindy, it is always good to be in your kitchen.
Thank you.
I'm excited today because we're going to spice up green beans.
We're going to show you different ways to fancy it up, and we're doing them fresh.
Love the fresh.
Okay. Let's talk about the green bean. It's full of vitamin C, vitamin K. It has chlorophyll. It is an antioxidant. Supposedly anti-aging.
We definitely need to eat more green beans.
Yeah, we definitely do that. And fiber as well. Yes, but my green beans that we serve here at the house traditionally are done with potatoes, olive oil, garlic, and red crushed pepper. One of the reasons that I like it so much is that you can use it with a protein. You've only got one pot for your vegetable and your starch.
Love that.
So,
Time saving, easy.
yeah, easy and delicious and good for you. So, what we've done here is we've started off, we boiled our potatoes.
Okay.
And once they start, you start to see, feel it with your fork, it's nice and soft. It's okay if they get a little mashed. I prefer, once I'm done mixing it, that when the potato gets a little mashed and it goes in and coats the potato, it just makes it even more delicious, because then it's almost like spaghetti, like it's like a sauce that's holding on to the green bean. So you've got your olive oil, you've got your garlic, and you've got your roasted red pepper. So don't think, if you like little perfect potatoes and you want it that way, that's great.
fine.
But if you don't, I like my way better, where it gets mushed up together.
No, that sounds
So
delicious.
what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to drain these.
And it's good
now
because it's hot.
Yeah.
It's already hot from
put
the
it all in
potatoes.
there. So we've got the garlic and the red crushed pepper. Okay.
Now, how long do we saute it?
Oh, geez, just about a minute.
Oh, you have the potatoes and the string beans mushed together.
Potatoes and the string beans are together. I'm going to show you 3 additional ways how to plate up your green beans.
So we have pork all ready to go. There's our protein.
Yep, we've got a little piece of pork tenderloin there, some mushrooms. Okay. I love that sound. That's great. Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, stir that around. Stir it good.
Leave it on, or bring it over.
No, leave it on.
Okay.
Okay. And then
You're adding some salt and pepper there?
I'm adding some salt and pepper in there now. Okay. See how it's coating?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and put it in the bowl. Great.
Oh.
You want to zest that a little? We can find some.
Oh, there's some. A little bit more?
Yeah. See how pretty this green and yellow?
That is. And that was simple. That was not hard to make at all.
So
Even
if you
prep
get-
wasn't.
So if you get stuck, there you go. And you want to make sure, if that you've got enough potatoes in there to accompany your protein. That's our first one.
Okay.
Okay, second, what we're going to do is we're going to take your green beans. For one person. Okay, so what I have here, poured in here, I have some stone ground mustard.
Okay.
I have shallots, some
Scallions?
and some bacon, and some capers, and believe it or not, there's some sherry vinegar in here as well.
Oh my goodness, I can smell that. That smells delicious.
Okay, toss that around. All right.
So we're taking our original and then we're just adding to it.
We're just adding to it.
Oh, this is
And
fabulous.
the stone ground mustard is delicious with it. Now, you can serve this cold as
Oh.
well. Boil an egg, chop up an egg, and then serve it as a salad, as a green bean salad.
Easy to take to picnics and
Yeah, the
barbecues.
thing too is with this recipe I like is that I think it's great when you're doing niçoise, a
Can I
niçoise
plate it?
salad. Yeah,
Are you? I don't know. You're gonna let me? Nah. Got to make it look pretty.
Okay, here we go. Voila. And
Second way.
That's our second. All right. Now we're going to go for a little additional Italiano style. And we are going to
Tomatoes.
tomatoes. Okay. Some Lugatelli cheese.
My favorite. Bacon
And
bits.
some toasted breadcrumbs.
Oh, toasted bread. I thought they were bacon bits. I love this, Cindy. These are fantastic ideas.
And here's the other thing too. It's not just for us meat eaters, it's also great for vegetarians. Okay, now, because you know you've got green and white, you pour that in here. And I sauteed those just a little bit.
And this is peppers and...
It's red and yellow peppers and some scallions. And to give it color, especially, I like doing this at Christmas time. When you add the red pepper, it really makes it pretty.
Oh, so nice, Cindy.
Yeah. So
All right.
oh, okay. I gotta. All right.
So which one is your favorite?
The plain old garlic.
Plain old garlic?
Yeah. Yeah. So there we go. We got a nice, lovely color here, and I can smell the peppers.
Yes.
I don't know if you can
Yes.
or not. So it's not there just for color. It's also there for flavor as well.